What is up, everybody? Good morning and welcome back to the channel for another great episode on the B3000. So I did end up having to break this video up into three different videos. Unfortunately, just time-wise, I couldn't get everything crammed into two videos. I ended up doing more and more, and as you can see right here, I decided to take the whole latch assembly off altogether and move my bracing up to get the intercooler even higher. Something like this. It's just a way better setup. It looks better. And then I've got some L brackets that I'll run to attach it here, and this will be sturdy and stable. So I'm really happy about that. But also on today's video, well, we'll just see where it goes. I'm not exactly sure what all I'll be doing, but hopefully today will be the day that we get this running and driving, and we can see what kind of power it puts down. Okay guys, this is nothing fancy, but this whole truck isn't fancy either. So as you can see here, I have got the intercooler in, and I ran two self-tappers through here, and this already had a bolted bung at the top. Tighten that down, and then once we have the intercooler piping on, it'll be 100% secured. But yeah, I've got a bracing underneath here bracket that it sits on, so it's supported from the bottom. Then when we get these two pipes on either side, it's not going anywhere. So I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Taking this off made a huge difference. This is the piece we took off, so just useless weight. What's up? Good morning, guys. Today is the day that we have been all waiting for. I know I've been waiting for it. I'm sure some of you have been too. The day that we actually start this thing. So I did connect up the down pipe. So the exhaust is all hooked up. So let me tell you that I checked the shipping on the boots. They're not here yet, but they are out for delivery. So I will be getting them today, and this truck will be starting today, and I will be driving this truck and seeing what difference this huge turbo does for this truck. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. I don't have any expectations, and I don't know exactly how it's gonna run. I do anticipate, some, boost lag, and maybe, I'm not sure when this turbo is gonna light. I think it will light, but we will just have to kind of play it by ear. I'm guessing it's gonna be more of a higher RPM power band. But I just don't know, because all the turbos before, minus this one, but this turbo that I had on for a little bit, this one that was on there for a little bit, and the last one I had on there, which was this one, all three of those turbos were eBay turbos. And the first one was so small it hardly did anything. So we'll see if I can do this without blowing the engine up on its first drive. I'm going to be kind of soft on it, feel it out, and just kind of see the amount of power that we're dealing with. But I will take you guys along for the ride with that. But for right now, the main thing is just whenever I hear the mail truck coming, you know, I'm gonna be out there like a bullet and pick this thing up, and maybe we'll run to the dump once I get it running, because we need to go to the dump. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm sure you guys can tell, but I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long for this. All right, guys, I just heard the mail lady drop off the mail, so we are headed to the mailbox. There you have it. Right there, boys. Super excited. Without further ado, let us get into this package right here that we have been waiting on for, it feels like, forever. Four clamps, 2 boots. Look at that. There they are. That is what I've been waiting on forever, it feels like. I can't do this holding, I need both hands, so I'll just show you guys the end product. We have all the piping welded up and perfect. Well, not perfectly done, but ready to put in. So this is for this side over here. That's ready. And this is for this side right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and just like that, we have everything on the intercooler wrapped up. Let me run over, for those who don't know, what exactly happens here. The header right here, which comes off of the engine, and we have the up pipe right here, and the turbo mounts to that. This is the exhaust side, and there's fins in there, and when the exhaust goes through, it rotates the turbine in turn, which rotates this, which sucks in air. So as the engine works harder, the turbo spools up harder, forcing air in here through this charge pipe, through the intercooler where it cools the air down, then through here, the charge pipe, into the intake manifold right there, compressing more air into each the combustion chamber, which in turn makes more power, more fuel, and that's how you control power. At least on this old engine, there's no computer involved, so the only really adjustments you can do are air and fuel. Adjust those two ratios. You can do like internal stuff that will help, but the main thing is just air and fuel, getting that right. So I mean, this intercooler, like I was saying, once we got the piping all in, solid as can be, it ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this front clip back on, then we will start her up. I think the battery is dead, so I will need to probably jump start it. Alright guys, the truck is back together, looking really clean. it is time to start this thing. So since the battery's dead, I'm going to roll it out and we'll jump it from the car or the truck, one of the two, and we will see how this thing sounds. There we go, boys. Here it is. Man, I love this thing. I did take it for a spin. It is a certified ripper. Let's go take it for another spin. All right. I'm gonna be kind of easy on it just because it's new. I want to make sure everything's good, but a nice whistle to it. Obviously it's a little like it just feels like it has more power. I haven't really gotten into it hard yet, but already it feels amazing, and the motor actually feels smoother than it ever has, and I don't know if that's due, I don't know why, but it just feels right. So this is definitely how it's gonna be. Have officially wrapped up the Cummins swap turbo build. Everything is running good. Last night I had a little issue with a short, but that was coming from the actual turn signal light was shorting against the frame of the truck, causing big issues. So I couldn't drive it at night with the lighting situation. But all that to say, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for following along. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. There will be plenty more of this kind of stuff coming on. And there's a little look at the underside of the hood. I just literally used self-tapper screws and screwed that down in. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'm out. I'll see you later.